Guys, you have no idea how excited I am to be here to play this game early. I traveled 2,600 miles just to get a hands-on on this, and it was worth it. Now I got in store quite the videos of some of my favorite races I captured. I decided to make a single race video for each of my favorite races, showcasing the car, track, and weather. Right then, when I got to San Diego, I was able to go to 2 sessions, and I was there for a total of 3 hours combining both sessions. And if you have any questions about the game, just put them in the comments and I'll try to answer them as quick as I can. So this first one, I of course had to start with the DPi cars. This is the car class I am most excited for. I love IMSA and this is just a gift right here. We'll be racing in the new city circuit, Shanghai, at night. And the DPi I went for is the Acura DPi. 2 more things to note before we start. This race I am using a G920 wheel and I'm on PC. Well, here we go.
Hey everybody, you've been making a lot of noise out there, but can you make some noise once more for Kristen? Fantastic. And on that, what should we expect from this location?
Really kind of you, Alex. And
Alright, we'll get back to that shortly because it's time to get started. There they go.
Big race tonight. Push for a decent position. Start, hold the lead. Final lap, keep that lead intact.
And there you go, that's the Shanghai circuit at night with the Acura DPi. Gotta say, love these cars, and this track is just beautiful with the city lights on, and I'm especially loving the sound design of this game. It's fantastic. So I got more grid videos on the way for this week, so stay tuned guys. Well guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.